Oh, ATM. I was like, ATM at the moment. That's... Hi, I'm now 31. Hi, NewBeauty. I'm Shay Mitchell, and today I'm going to be answering a few of your burning questions that you've all been posting on my feed. So let's begin, shall we? Computer, please. Thank you. At Zanessa says, pizza one or Beyonce? Only one forever? You know what? I'm gonna say Beyonce. Goodbye pizza, goodbye wine. At its_Lizzie123 asks, can you give us a small hint as to what you're working on? I can't wait, this entire journey is exciting. I am super excited about why I'm here today. It's to talk about the Know Your Birth Control campaign in partnership with Allergan. Birth control is something I feel like you really do want to have all the important facts on. So by going to knowyourbirthcontrol.com, you can take a trivia quiz, which is a perfect way to find out just how little or how much you actually know about birth control. At Janita Stevens says, do you have any lucky items, numbers, days, or any superstitions? No, I really don't. I'm that person that asks to be on the 13th floor if there ever is one, walks under, you know, the ladders and loves seeing black cats. At Zachary Claus wants to know, Shay, who is your beauty icon? Honestly, forever Sophia Loren. I love how effortless she looked, and she was sexy while being classy at the same time, and it's a fine balance, the way she carried herself, and she loved pasta and ate all the time. I mean, beauty icon, hands down. At Fibronatics says, can you tell me your beauty secret? I so love your skin. Thank you. Makeup artist, 2 hours, sitting hair and makeup, and proper lighting. Okay, at Serena Williams, hey girl. At Serena Williams wants to know, lip liner color please in the YouTube video. I feel like Ariel used like 20 different products in that video, but I'll tell you the one I'm currently wearing. Say it's the Plump Lip Liner in Hush Hush by Buxom. I'm Happy Hannah asks, I'm glad you're happy, Hannah. Hey, I have a question. So this year I've been getting sick all the time. How do you manage to stay healthy? I know you exercise all the time, but I just cannot find motivation. BTWILY. By the way, I love you. Okay, cool, thank you. I promise you, you will feel so much better after a workout. And honestly, that is such a huge routine in my life, whether it's starting my day or ending my day with a workout. I feel so much better and ready to take on whatever life throws at me. I would also say that in terms of getting sick all the time, for me, my tip when traveling on airplanes is I wipe everything down, hand sanitizer, and I'm not crazy about that outside of traveling, but definitely when I'm on airplanes with a bunch of other people, small confined place, I highly recommend it. So those are my tips for you guys. That is pretty much it. I have to go back to production, but I just wanted to say thank you for watching this. Be sure to subscribe to NewBeauty, and also go to knowyourbirthcontrol.com and take the trivia quiz to find out just how much or how little you actually know about birth control and what options are perfect for you. Mwah! Ciao guys, gotta go. Okay. Yep, we're back. Oh, Mike. Sorry.